Hey everybody, and welcome to TryStack, a place for trying out cloud. We've built this cloud with donated hardware and resources, so be sure to thank the sponsors when you see them in the cloud. I'm Ann Gentle, and I'm the documentation coordinator for OpenStack. So for starters, let's talk about the idea behind TryStack. It's a place to try OpenStack through either the dashboard or the compute API. It gives you a certain number of stack dollars through a made-up billing system that lets you try it out, but it also wipes the sandbox clear every 24 hours so that other people can play in it. So let's log into the dashboard using the link on trystack.org. I'm going to go ahead and log in using Facebook because I've already joined the TryStack group. And as you can see, I have 200,000 stack dollars. You'll start out with about 1,000. So let's head over to key pairs first. I'm going to enter a name for a key pair, which is a file I'm going to download locally. This will let me log into an instance that I boot up on TryStack. So I save the file, and then head on over to the security groups. On the security groups, I'm actually going to edit the default one to allow TCP and ICMP through to an instance that I launch with that security group applied. Next, I'll head over to images. There's just two Ubuntu images right now, and I'm going to hit Launch Instance. I named a server. If I wanted to, I could enter some user data as well. I'm also going to pick the key name that I downloaded previously and make sure that my security rules are applied correctly. Then I just click Launch Instance and it's ready to go. It's not instantaneous, however. So what I'm going to do is hit refresh a couple times to see if it goes out of that build state. And actually, instead of just hitting refresh on this screen, I can do this using the Nova client to keep an eye on the status. So let's head over to the API link, and I'm going to make an export, a source file, a file that I can source by exporting these credentials that were created for me on the dashboard. So I'm going to edit and make sure that my password isn't shown to all the world. And then I just type source TryStack credentials, and now since I've already installed the Nova client, I can type in Nova list and see whether my instance is active yet, and indeed it is. So I'm going to copy this IP address and use that for my SSH command to get into this instance. Checking my PEM file to make sure that I know which one it is. It's named Chocolate. And I also had to make sure that my chocolate.pem file is accessible through SSH. So I'm modifying the file, and I'm also going to do SSH add command to make sure that I can SSH into my instance with that particular bit of credentials. Final command, SSH-I, file name, username Ubuntu at IP address, and indeed I'm in. So that's how you launch an instance and start using it. I hope you enjoyed TryStack. We've had a lot of fun making it. Thanks.